Ever wondered how to grow an abundance of fruit trees in a limited space? Perhaps you're grappling with the puzzle of shrinking gardens and increasing passion for homegrown fruits. Well, the solution to your problem is a method called Espalier. Espalier, originally from France, is a fantastic way to maximize your garden's potential. This method is a blend of art and horticulture, transforming ordinary trees into living sculptures. By training trees into decorative patterns along a wall or fence, you can create a garden feature that's both functional and beautiful. The Espalier technique not only saves space but also adds a unique aesthetic element to your garden. Now that you have a basic understanding of what Espalier is, let's dive into how you can implement this method in your garden. Implementing Espalier involves a few straightforward steps. First, selecting a suitable tree is crucial. Fruit trees like apple and pear are popular choices due to their flexible branches, but any tree with a strong central stem can work. Next, prepare the tree for training. This begins in the dormant season. Cut back the central stem to around 3 feet and select 2 to 4 lateral branches for training. Setting up the support structure is the third step. Install a trellis or wires against your wall or fence. The support should be sturdy enough to hold the weight of a mature tree. Lastly, ongoing maintenance is key. Regularly prune and tie the branches to the support, maintaining the desired shape. This process encourages horizontal growth, maximizes sunlight exposure, and promotes fruiting. Remember, patience is a virtue. Espalier is a long-term commitment, but the payoff is a beautiful, productive garden in a limited space. And voila, you've transformed your limited space into a productive garden. To sum up, Espalier is a game-changer for any garden enthusiast with limited space. It offers increased fruit production and enhances garden aesthetics. Plus, there's the joy of creating a unique garden feature. So, why not give Espalier a try and see how it transforms your garden? Espalier is an art, and like any art, it requires patience and practice. So give it a try, and remember, mistakes are just stepping stones in your journey to mastering this gardening technique. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!